Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Red 392, and today we're going to be installing a second layer of NOICO sound deadening mat 80mm. I'm going to focus on the bottom of the trunk. So let's get into it. I think that's going to be that much tougher to remove. Just got to put the pocket back in right there. That's how it looks. We're going to be adding another layer to this. So that's how much one sheet covers. As you can see, the old stuff and the new stuff on top of it. I also have the paper on it to show you. And then I'm gonna put it in as you see it. I'm just gonna replace or take off the paper on the tacky side and smooth it in. Now we are going to apply this whole sheet right down the middle. Also, my experience with this stuff, the bigger the pieces, the better the sound is on the other side. So don't try to jigsaw this thing in if you don't have to. If there's big areas you can cover with a sheet, do so. It makes your install more complete. By complete, I mean more better sound quality track. That makes any sense. That doesn't make sense. Better quality of sound in those areas. So when you're doing, you can start from one side. Very quickly. If you work with it, it'll work with you. This way, you can get in those different grooves that our trunks have, that the Dodge Chargers have in particular. This is one of the few areas where the Dodge Charger is on its own. And this is also one of the areas where people like myself love the Charger over the Challenger. Now I run into an issue where there's a dip down here, and I want to keep this in one piece as much as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it down the side of this first time. Like I said, I have to order the... Alright guys, so right here I'm showing you how I applied the second layer of sound deadening mat to the bottom of the trunk. I made 3 cuts. I have to order the tape to cover up the cuts so it'll look a lot smoother and you won't see any of those black lines. All those black lines are from me making cuts with the razors. The razor doesn't make the lines black. The tar-like substance on the back side of the metal, the adhesive material, is what you see right there. That's going to be covered up, and when it's covered up with the tape, it'll look nice and neat. Enjoyed the install video. Putting this back together now. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to put back the trunk. This part is simple. You just put your big piece of styrofoam back in there, and then you put the top back on top of this. Later.